In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the CHE 111 General Chemistry Labs Course Canvas site. When you first access the Course Canvas site, on the left, you'll see a bar with common links. At the top, the home page, which takes you back to this screen, the Start Here button, which takes you to an introductory page of items that will help you get started in this course. The course details site, which contains some of the course policies not outlined in our course syllabus. The modules link takes you to the list of experiments. All of our experiments and their supporting information is grouped together in one course module. The Piazza link takes you to the course discussion board, where students can ask questions that then can be answered by other students in the course, the teaching assistants, or the course coordinator. On the right here is your upcoming to-do list, and this list is going to vary depending upon what upcoming assignments you still need to complete. In the middle, you have some quick links to take you to that Start Here page, the course syllabus, the list of required course materials, and link to our course experiments. So I'm going to start with the Start Here button really fast. I can go through that really briefly. When you first start off in this course, you want to make sure you first read the course syllabus, because it contains explanations of our course objectives, policies, assignments, and grading. After that, you'll need to obtain our course materials, which is available through the link in course materials. After that, I suggest everybody goes through the module on Canvas to get to know Canvas a bit. This module contains information regarding how to submit assignments, including our lab reports. Those lab reports are submitted through Canvas using the Turnitin app embedded within the Course Canvas site. It also contains information on how to access your TA's feedback on your lab reports. After that, go through the Introduction to our Lab module, which contains information regarding our course policies. After that is another module entitled Laboratory Safety. Working safely in the lab is, of course, paramount to this course and a paramount behavior for any scientist working in a laboratory setting. So this module is going to go over some of the things to keep in mind and some of the behaviors that you will need to do in order to perform safely in the lab. So take a time and go through that module as well. I'm going to open up these top two modules here first. The Introduction to Lab. In order to be successful in this course, you want to just start at the start of a module and click on each one of these links, reading through the material that's available there. You'll start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. At the bottom will be a series of assignments, typically in the order that I think is probably the best for you to look at them and complete your assignments. One thing to keep in mind is there's going to not be any assignments on here that you can't open up and look at and feel that you're going to mess something up. Everything's set up to where you can open up the assignment, read the page, and it will give you information about how to proceed. So you'll want, as you go through this course, you'll just go through each one of these modules in order, and they're going to be a little different depending upon which experiment you're working on. If you have any questions, please make sure to go onto our Course Piazza site and ask questions there. After that, you can send your CA an email. Thank you so much.